Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your Honor MagicBook to Windows 11. If you have Windows 10 instead of Windows 11 currently installed, you can recognize it by this Windows logo. If it's from a perspective like that, then you have Windows 10, and then you should go to the settings to update it to Windows 11, then update and security, and now you should see this get ready for Windows 11 information. If you don't see it, make sure that you are connected to the network, so connect to Wi-Fi, and try just using your laptop for a certain moment. Maybe it has to update something else before you can see the information about Windows 11 update. So sometimes you'll get it after a few hours, sometimes after a day, but once you get it, you can just click on check hardware requirements. Then it'll get you to a browser, which is quite weird, but this is how it is. I don't really get why is it, but we just need to scroll down. Then you at the almost very bottom, you'll see check for compatibility, and you need to click on download PC Health Check app. Then click on download PC Check Health app again, and then after a certain moment, it'll download the program. So I'm using the Microsoft Edge, and this is how it looks here. If you're using a different browser, maybe it'll look somewhat different. But now we can open the file. If the downloads have vanished, you can just click on three dots here and go to downloads, and you'll see it. You can open the file. Now it'll just install the PC Health Check app. So we need to accept the license agreement, then click on install. Now after a moment, we can click on finish, and it'll open that app. Now we can click on check now to check if our laptop meets the Windows 11 requirements, and yes it does. So if it does, we can click on see all results or whatever. Now I'm gonna close that window and click on Windows Update. Then click on Open Windows Update. Let's see if now it'll work. No, it didn't the way I wanted it to work. So I'm gonna just click on check for updates in the Windows Update section. And before we start downloading and installing the update, I really recommend plugging in your laptop, because if you don't do it, then something may get broken because of it discharging while the update is being done. So I'm just gonna plug it into the power right now. And can I see the Windows 11 here? No. So let's try looking for that somewhere else. So this is really a weird process, and it really just may be annoying because it doesn't show where it's supposed to be showing. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. I'm gonna check again and click on more about Windows 11. Let's see. Okay, now it opens the website. This PC will run Windows 11. So let's click on check now for free upgrade. I'm gonna allow and click on open to open settings. Then it should in theory display the Windows 11 update, but as we can see it doesn't. So we're just gonna try to find it. But now I'm gonna wait until this update that's being installed right now installs. Because as you can see, it doesn't really open the update in Windows Update, but it is really normal for Windows to do that. I don't know why, but it just hides the updates for some reason, and we'll need to wait. Okay, so now I had a different update, so if this occurs in your case, then after the update is installed, click on restart now and it will restart your laptop. Sometimes it may take a bit longer than you would expect it to, but after that we'll just check if our Windows 11 is now ready. And now I'm gonna lock the laptop and let's check again by going to settings, of course. Then, okay, it has opened the website again, the same that was there before. So I'm gonna click on check for upgrade now, and let's see. I'm gonna click on check for updates. So it still didn't find it. Let's just try clicking on installing Windows 11. I'm gonna open the PC Health Check app again. Gonna check again. Click on that again. Check now for free upgrade. Check for updates. I'm gonna also click on view optional updates, but as I expected, there's no update for the Windows 11 itself. So I'll just try waiting and I'll get back to you when the update is finally available. Okay, so if the update is missing in your case as well, then what you should do is go to the browser and search yourself for Windows 11, let's say Windows 11 ISO, and we'll find it. Or Windows 11 download. It should also show us what we're searching for. And make sure you're going to the Microsoft.com website. It has to be the official one. And now we'll have the Windows 11 installation assistant. So I'll just download now because I don't really want to wait a few days until it shows in my settings. So it has downloaded. I can open the file. Then click on yes. Then click on accept and install. Now it starts downloading the Windows 11. Later, I believe it'll verify it, and after that it'll start installing. Then it'll reboot your laptop multiple times and do all of that, and your Windows 11 should be ready. So you'll see all of the process on the screen. It'll be all recorded, and I'll get back to you when everything is complete. Also remember not to unplug your laptop. Make sure it's plugged in all the time. Also, you can keep using your PC while it's being downloaded while it's being verified and while it's being installed, but make sure that if you're working on some documents or something that requires manual saving, make sure that you're saving it frequently, because half an hour after installing, so the third step in the steps here, gets to 100% complete, half an hour after that, it'll restart your laptop automatically, or you can do that earlier manually. So make sure you you save all your work so it's not deleted after it automatically starts installing. So I had to reopen the Windows 11 installation assistant because it got stuck at 46% of getting updates or whatever. So what I had to do is I went to settings, to Windows Update, and I had the optional updates. So I had to just select all and install, download and install them. Now they are installed. So let's reopen the Windows 11 installation assistant. I'm gonna click on accept and install. Now the download is already done, so it'll just verify it, because the download is still there from the previous downloading process, which wasn't finished. And now it'll start installing again, and this time I hope it'll work. So let's just wait. And now it is all installed in the system, so you can just wait until it restarts or click on restart now. That's what I'm gonna do. And then we can wait a second, it'll sign me out, restart the laptop and install the update. So the whole process will be shown here. Remember to not unplug the charger. And now the update is done, so let's unlock the laptop. And now it'll probably take a second to get a few things ready, but it'll not take too long, so you can just wait a second. And as we can see, we're in. So this is how it all looks. It's all set up now. And by the way, in case something really wrong happens with your system, you can later revert it from Windows 11 to Windows 10, but I think you can only revert it for like a short period after updating. I mean, I don't really remember if it was a week or so, but if in case you need it, you can go to Windows Update. Then I believe it'll be here, Advanced Updates, Recovery, and then you can click on go back to Windows 10, but this is only for a short period after updating in case something isn't working. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.